My laundry basket broke, and I thought, why not make one from wood? So I tried once and I failed pretty badly, and I got lots of thumbs downs. However, one of my viewers suggested a different method for doing it, and I followed that, and I think it's been reasonably successful. But the question now that I have is, should I have done it? So, with a lot of thanks to my very helpful viewers, they gave me the idea, one guy gave me the idea to just push the dowels in from the top. And so I've just had a practice, if you like. And I think that's going to work. What I've also done is I've marked out, I don't know whether you can see, I've marked out the angle that I want, because I want to put some spaces in, so I need to figure out, I want to put some spaces in here. Where are we there? On each of these. So I needed to know what angle to cut them at, and I've just figured out that it's 10 degrees, that slope that I've got there, so that works there, and it works here. The blocks won't be, this is just a test. Okay, so there we go. I think that's going to work. All right, so this is the way the guy suggested I do it. The commenter. So basically slide it through from the top. And what I have to do at the same time is put my side rails on. So I'm going to do those and just carry on through. And I've made some little spaces which hopefully work. I should have practiced this. Take two. I put some paste wax on it, and this one was a bit tight, so I have to re-drill that out a bit. Paste wax on the dowels. This one goes through fine. Maybe I need a side rail. And then that, and that, and a side rail, and that one. That's tight as well. Having got this far, I realized after a while that actually I hadn't followed my numbering system and it didn't fit together properly. Okay, so I'd got all my parts mixed up previously. So I put this on. I think it sort of works the way I intended it. Oh my goodness. It is very stressful doing this sort of thing. Okay. So now cross beam number 9. Because I've marked them all out. That's number 9. Okay. the last corner, and it looks nothing like a washing basket, but hey. So I think that one goes on there. Then this. And then this one. And then that one. I think. There we go. And then this one. Okay, so there we have it. I've just checked square on the bottom, and it's okay. So I'm just going to cut some plywood and put the basket on top of it so I know where to drill the holes, and then make some little feet and glue them on. The reason for saying should I have done it, should I have built this, is that it's taken a disproportionate amount of time. It's pretty damned ugly, but will probably do the job. I don't know what got into my brain when I said I was going to make one, but I think that's part of being a beginner woodworker. You try these things, you suffer, and sometimes it works out spectacularly, and then other times it doesn't. And speaking of something spectacular,